Document checklist items simplifies document collection so you can focus on what matters most to your business. Meet Document Checklist Items, a unique Salesforce tool that provides a clear, organized way to track and process client paperwork, saving time and reducing errors. The tool seamlessly integrates with Salesforce approval processes and leverages OCR technology, so all necessary documents are collected and verified efficiently. As a result, your workflows are streamlined and compliance risks are minimized. Document Checklist Items appears within a client's record, providing a centralized location for all document-related information. You can use checklists to onboard an applicant by providing a clear and structured process for both the applicant and the onboarding team. Back-office teams can use simple processes to upload documents and mark items as received. Notice how the status of the checklist is visible, providing real-time updates. Track the progress of documents, offering valuable oversight and ensuring timely completion of the business process. Use document checklist items to boost your team's productivity, mitigate risks, and ensure compliance. Adopt document checklist into your workflow today.